A little pit stop at the old M. Slow down. Look at the M. This is the biggest M in the world, quite possibly ever built. It stands for, man, that's a big M. I don't know what it stands for. But there is like 9 million steppers to go up there, and we're gonna try to step them all the way up. Look at them, boy. Gonna be a leg workout getting up there, but the views are gonna be worth it. Pickleball, we can play pickleball up there. Got our climbing shoes on. Out here in the sun, in the Wisconsin, a real state, boy. All right, we made it all the way up to the top. Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Breathtaking. Tons of steps.
Oh gosh.
Great view.
Yeah, bug.
Lots of bugs right now. Lots of bugs. See if we can even get up even higher on this booger here. Whoa, don't fall there, boss. Yes, look at that countryside. Wisconsin's finest right up here. Ladies and gentlemen. And there's even trails that go in the woods. I don't think we're gonna do those to get poison ivy right now, but man, epic stuff. All right, just pulling up to the shop here. Let's head inside and see if we can find Ovi and this camera. All right, and there's the man himself right there. What up? Pause that music. Trying to get us a copyright fine right there. But we are just checking out this new camera here, newfangled Insta360 X3. What you know about that, boy?
It's a pretty cool camera.
Pretty cool camera. I seen this on the Stradman, James's channel. I seen it on Street Speed 717's channel, and they were filming their Lambos and stuff with it. Ovi just got back from Costa Rica, right?
Yep.
Costa Rica, got some super cool clips with this thing. All kinds of cool angles, so I wanted to check it out. Obviously around the shop we got plenty of other things we can strap this to. Razors, trucks outside. We're gonna use this camera a lot, but he's just back from vacation. I'm just back from vacation. We've been all over. I was gone all of last week. He was gone the week before that. So it's a good thing we film here ahead of time on the channel. Otherwise, you guys would be left in the dust. But we are back filming yet again today. I'm gonna grab this memory card and just play around a little bit here at the shop. Maybe take the Razor out and have a little fun. Oh yeah, let's set it up. See, look at that. Great minds think alike, guys. But we'll get this thing maybe strapped on the Razor here, and then we'll take it down the road. Gotta find a good spot for it on there. Oh, right on the dash, yeah. Oh yeah, and he's got the Amazon mount for it, only the best, which is the same exact mounts we use here. We got the for the Sony and the GoPro, so you know it's good stuff, that Yolandi brand or whatever the heck it is. But get that sucker set up and mounted. Maybe we can rip this bad boy. I've never even driven that Razor, so this will be the first time driving a Razor. I'm just gonna putt around and go slow. All right, guys, well, that was super successful and a ton of fun. First time ever ripping in the Razor. That thing absolutely eats. It is so easy to make power and go in this thing. Big thumbs up for the Razor Pro. Thanks, Ovi, for letting us get out and try this bad boy. We'll see how this footage looks. I'm kind of excited. Again, guys, not sponsored video by any means. Just wanted to show you guys this camera and all the cool capabilities that it has and what this could bring to the channel. We are like the secondhand store for good ideas. We don't get the first dibs on stuff like the big YouTubers, so if it does take us a minute to catch up with the pack, that's fine. We are not trying to reinvent the wheel or trying to be something we're not. Just out enjoying stuff, and this is one of those things. When I do put products on the channel, I do strive to only put stuff that I really use or would recommend other people use on the channel. I do not want to just throw junk at you. I get tons of emails. Hey, put this on, you want to sponsor this, you want to do that, we can make your videos go viral. I get all kinds of goofy emails. I delete all that stuff. I only want to work with the best of the best, top tier things, and just be a real person. So that's what it is. But guys, thank you for everything. Let's get back to it. All right, guys, again, I'm not filming this in any sort of order or anything. I'm just super random here. Closer look at the camera. Power button on the side here. Turn that bad boy on, and I've never played with one, so this is the first time. Looks like it loads on up. I don't know if you guys can see or not. 4K. Looks like you can choose how many frames per second. You can see out here, and it just spins around and around. Record button here. Ovi said something about needing a security key, so he got me set up with that. I'm not sure what that's gonna mean for like the downloads and the editing or whatever, but if I need that, we got the serial number. It has a micro SD card in there just like the GoPro and what we use on the Sony, so I'm gonna try to pull these files off. Again, check out some from Ovi's trip to Costa Rica. I'll try to play that next for you guys here. What'd you guys think of that? Super epic stuff. That trip looks so insane. It really shows off the camera too. Hopefully this is coming through as cool as I think it is. That's why we're bringing it to you. But anyways, guys, we can get back in the shop here, catch up with Ovi and see what's next. Got a whole plethora of videos. If you are new, stick around, check them out. But let's get in the shop. We got a lot to do today. It's hot, it's beautiful. Getting back to work this week after a couple weeks off, and just, yeah, so much going on, guys. Thanks for all the love. All right, so now we're back inside and the air conditioning is on. You keep it fresh in here. This is beautiful. Warm in the winter and cool in the summer, just like we like. Got some furry grass there. Well, here's your camera back, by the way. That was epic. Thank you for that. I pulled the memory card out and we'll play around with that and see how it goes. What you working on here at the shop? We got a lot going on. I always try to show them off, but you're never here because you're always working hard like you always do. But what's next?
Yeah, we got a new list over here.
Oh, okay. Let's check out the list. The list is epic. We used to put these in every video if you guys have been around for a little bit. So if not, now you can see the board with everything on it.
It's our next trip.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at all this stuff.
It's all Brad's work, so I don't get it all.
Fenders, batteries, fifth wheel setup, registered. Look at all this stuff. Trailer. Trailer too?
Trailer, white trailer.
Oh, Gosh, so much good stuff. just a plethora of good ideas. We're just leaking everything on the channel here, but that's okay. Show you guys are family, and this is who we do it for. Yeah, we like this stuff, but we know you do too. And the outdoor setup is coming along well. Got it pieced out on the floor where everything's gonna go. This exact replica will be outside, outdoor kitchen. Finally got that razor up there, dropping down. Might need to save a couple more nickels before we get that new motor put in there. Just different projects taking priority, and we reserve the right to move stuff around here on the channel, but man, it is epic at the least bit, man. Way cool. Never a shortage of ideas, guys. If you do like this stuff, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and stick around, because you never know what you're gonna see next. But we'll let you guys go for the day. Thanks again for being here. Peace out. And let's just see, Ovi's picking up some parts out here. What's the best thing you get from the FedEx truck right there? Best time of the day, man. Part deliveries. What's it going for? Duramax, trailer, Duramax. Probably Duramax, let's be honest.